Just a quick heads up, I did lose the footage of me actually fitting it. That's because the GoPro just randomly decided to corrupt all of my files, but I will show the entire process again on how I'll put it on. So let's begin. Right, so this is my Volvo. This is what we're going to be speccing out. Let's do a quick run around of it. It's just a Volvo really. The only mods I've already done to it is the tinted windows, decal, and then these. Anyways.
Why he calling you over and over for? He do that shit again, we gon' go to war. On whatever, I'm on my life. Know they hate on her cause they envy me. When I fuck you, I want me a trophy, more valuable pussy. My baby the MVP. Told him she was crazy way before I hit her. Don't know why, but I ain't believe it all.
I can't be bothered to show the rest, just do a massive explosion. So first I'm gonna put every part in a different video. So we're gonna do a whole bunch of episodes, and then in the end I'll do a full build clip. The reason why is more videos. Look at this beauty. I got this from Racing 2G, so shout out to them. It's actually pretty cheap. I'll put it down in the description if you want to get the same one. Got it as a matching color with the car, and the sound on it afterwards is insane. You just gotta hear it. First things first, we gotta unbox it, and oof, this felt so good. Next up, just unscrew your old air filter. It should be a box like air filter, as most cars are. You just take it off. Now if you have a sensor on your air filter, what you need to do is just take the top one off. This way the sensor can still use the bottom half, and you just want to put your new one over the top. I'll show you in a second. Don't mind my gimbal failing. Now the new one does come with new metal tighteners, so don't worry about breaking the old ones, just break it off. Then you want to replace the silicone one with the metal one, and just use the metal tighteners to tighten it up, and it's as easy as that. It's not complicated at all. You can have it any way you want. I rotated mine like this, and let's do a quick sound test. It's time to hear on the road. The air intake mod. Malik! Alright, bye.